Hello class, and welcome to the second week of e-learning. I hope you had a restful weekend and didn't do any schoolwork over the weekend. I appreciated all of your chats with the pro feedback. I'm so glad that you enjoyed it and that you felt like you learned a lot, and I agree that we should have fewer questions for our next chat with a pro. I don't think that we can reasonably ask for longer than an hour of these professionals' time, so I don't think it's an option really to make the conversations longer, but we can reduce the questions to allow for more time to answer. I already posted Liz Campbell's bio, who is the stage manager that we're going to be talking to on Thursday. I've moved the chat to Thursday because the Schuler announcements, I think, are still going to be on Wednesday at noon or 12:30. So we want to do those on a Zoom chat with Mrs. Alea, so we can't do our, I think it's too close to do our stage manager chat on the same day just before that. So I moved it to Thursday. We're going to continue our jobs in the theater unit. I've uploaded a document that has an extensive list of jobs in the theater with links to videos that you can watch to learn more about those jobs. And you're going to pick several videos that add up to about an hour, and you're going to complete the reflection that I've uploaded. That's due on Friday, but I would suggest not waiting till the end of the week to do it, so you don't have to do everything on the last day. I just try to give you as much time during the week to do it so you can coordinate with your other classes. I am keeping to the 30 minutes per day rule, and that includes the chat with the pro and the responses. These are part of your curriculum. We are still completing the curriculum for Drama 1. So please make sure that you do everything you can to be in the chats with the pro. They should be recorded. Michael's didn't record properly. It recorded right up until we started and then it stopped. So hopefully the future ones will record. So if you happen to have a conflict with another class, you can watch it later and respond. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, send me a remind message, or if you want, we can set up a Zoom meeting and chat virtually face-to-face. I miss you guys, I miss your faces, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.